Guys, it's freezing. Oh my god. So guys, in this video you are going to see me go get my oil change, go to Walmart, and then come back home. Don't forget to like up this video, guys, share the video, guys, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. And guys, just drop a comment down in the description box just to say hello to me. Let's get into this video. And it's actually snowing right now, so pray for me. I decided to come to Mavis to do my oil change. Guys, this is the first time I'm coming to Mavis and it's actually snowing. So guys, it is so freezing out here. Like, it's a snow. So let me go inside. Mavis right now. Mavis discount tire to do my oil change. The first time I'm coming here, so I'll give you all my review and everything afterwards, because I went to this place and I don't know what they did to my car, so don't go there. It's freezing. Oh my god. So everything went well. I'll tell you guys everything when I reach home. So we're going into Walmart. Look at this guy reversing. Mommy, watch your guy in my reverse. So guys, music playing, so I'm not really going to record in here. So guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna eat something, then I'm gonna go out again and go to the dollar store. I think that's gonna be really it for today's vlog, and then I'm gonna sit down and show you guys what I got from Walmart. Mommy talking to her grandchild, so if you hear her in the background, that's what she did. Alright guys, so as you guys see in the other clip, I was home, but I was around the table while Mommy was talking to her grandbaby. So guys, I'm just gonna show you guys a little stuff that we picked up. You guys saw when I went to Mavis. Oh my god, they did an amazing job. And my car, they check out everything. Everything was fine. There was nothing wrong with my car. Um, yes. Plus the cost was cheaper. So sometimes it's best to move out. I normally go to Metric, but Metric is too far from me right now. So I decided to just go to the place that I put in the comments, and they did not do a good job on my car. But they absolutely do a fantastic job on mommy car, but I think that they're not familiar with my car. So they did not do such a good job, but Mavis did an amazing job on my car. But anyways guys, I'm going to show you some stuff that I picked up from Walmart, and I decided to pick up this one. So this is the one that I picked up just for a starter. So because all I need is just to print and fax stuff. I don't really need a lot of stuff like that. So this is the one that I picked up. It got really good reviews. The guy said it's really good. So this is what I picked up. It was for $39 plus tax. So yeah, do the maths. So yeah, this is what I picked up, and yeah, I think I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of me fixing it up. But yeah, this is what I picked up from Walmart. And also I got some stuff for Manny. I got his cat food from Walmart as well. Walmart. So took some fish oil, and mommy picked up the Benny Fiber from Walmart. So that was basically it. And guys, don't forget to like up this video, share up the video guys, turn on your notification bell, say what was I upload from me.